Hello, David here, and the project for today is that I'm still being harassed by this P0401 exhaust gas recirculation flow insufficient. This has been bothering me for over a year. Okay, since I'm not a diagnostic genius, what I decided to do was load up the parts cannon and shoot some parts at it. What I did in May of 2017 was I replaced the PVC valve. I cleaned out the upper intake manifold and I did not find any blockages in there. I replaced the EGR valve, which is that, and I also replaced the DPFE sensor, which is down under there. You can't see it from here, but those are I guess you could call that the three-legged stool of the EGR system. The other thing which I did not replace, which I'm going to do today, is replace that. And that part is formally called a EGR valve control solenoid motor. Got a Standard Products VS63. Let's see if it looks the same. Yep, that's it. Got two vacuum lines and an electrical connection. And by the way, I did check all the hoses and lines. I didn't find any leaks or blockages anywhere in the system. Start by disconnecting the electrical connector. And there are two 7mm bolts holding it onto the intake manifold. Kind of a small size. I had to get this wrench out of the Barbie doll collection. Hope Ken doesn't get mad at me. Might hit me with his purse or something. This bottom vacuum line, this double connector, they're kind of connected together, so it's hard to get them crossed up. It's a new unit. Put on the electrical connector. Then mount the screws back in. Okay, it's in, secure, everything's hooked up. Let's start the engine. Then I'm going to erase the codes and check the codes again after driving around for about a day or so. Well, the check engine light is back on, and I'll be darned, I still have a P0401 EGR flow insufficient. So I don't know what else it could be. I'm going to give up. Thanks for watching.